Ciao Mondo, hello world, hola mundo, hello monde. We're here in Brussels once again at the 38th ISICEM meeting with Jean Louis Vincent, having a cappuccino together and exploring what's new and what's important in this meeting. So Jean Louis, what is new this year and what are the many nice things that we have in this meeting?
There are so many things, it's difficult to summarize, but maybe we should keep our stools and store them in case we are sick, so that we could have our stools back in our gut when we are in the intensive care unit. That's
because
one thing.
bacteria may protect from
Oh
sepsis.
yeah, our microbiome could protect us. We shouldn't eat too much when we are critically ill. We can wait for a few days before we eat. We also know we need to correspond better with the ambulances. We need telemedicine and better communication with the ambulance. Also, the role of the families now, they stay more in the ICU, they participate in care. And now we bring dogs in the ICU. We have a talk from the US where a lady describes a system where they bring animals in the intensive care unit. That's wonderful.
Yeah.
Well, wonderful. Yeah.
And our cover story, ECOS, extracorporeal organ support.
Of course, we are making a lot of progress there, and with you in particular, with all the things you can do to help the kidneys, and obviously we can do it also for the lungs, for the liver, and we have the extracorporeal organ support. Yeah.
How about the round table this year?
Oh, it was wonderful. It was on metabolic care. We realized we don't know very much about it, but on the other hand, we know some elements, and we should not overdo things, but we need to bring the right nutrition to the right patient. We need to individualize our therapies. That's a message which is repeated in almost every single session.
And what have you planned for next year?
Next year, the 39th, of course.
Yes,
yeah, it will be very good
table?
too.
Do you have
The round table, maybe something around sepsis. We will see.
And in Rome in December, what are you going to do?
That will be on cardiac arrest.
Cardiac arrest.
Update on cardiac arrest.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So no other things to say. You have to come to visit this meeting because it's fantastic. In the meantime, in June, we have our own meeting in Vicenza. Again, critical care nephrology. So one specialty close to critical care. But we have many other disciplines in this meeting that are actually playing a very important role in the interaction between organs and artificial organs.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for joining today Cappuccino here in Brussels, and have a wonderful day. Excellent.
Oh yeah, excellent.